All right, today we're going to bring an aquarium heater, and this is a double-sided aquarium. This is the 75 watts version, but they have the three different modes that you can purchase. This is perfect, ideal for a 5 to 35 gallon water tank. So it's pretty simple to use. You plug it in, and you control the functions through the controller itself here. And we're going to put it to a test and see if we could heat up our actual water temperature right now. It's getting a little chilly in winter during this time, so this comes in perfect handy mode to actually start using it. So let's go ahead and put it to use and see how well it works. I'm actually running at 70, but what you can do is change it through the controller right here, and it's going to start blinking when you want to change it. You can change it from 60 all the way to 90, as simple as a control here. Now, when it stops, it's going to give you the actual temperature that it's currently on right now, but it's very easy to change it, and it's going to dramatically push the heat automatically. Now, if you have a pump that's actually spreading the water, it's going to heat up the actual aquarium pretty simple, easy. Now, I like the fact that it gives you it tells you the temperatures of the current water conditions right now, and then you can manually change it throughout the seasons. You could change it. Winter it gets a little colder, so you want to maybe add a couple degrees more, and then of course in summer turn it back down. But this is how it works. Easy, simple to use. I hope you guys enjoy the video.